Lee Self-Development TV. Artificial intelligence is changing teacher education. How to use ChatGPT and what to expect. 1. Overview of ChatGPT and its potential benefits for education. ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to prompts. It has been trained on vast amounts of text data and has shown impressive performance on a variety of language tasks such as language translation, summarization, and dialogue generation. In education, ChatGPT has the potential to be a useful tool for both students and teachers. For example, it can be used to provide personalized feedback to students on writing assignments, answer questions in real time, and create engaging educational content such as interactive lessons and quizzes. For teachers, it can save time by automating some administrative tasks and help them create and curate educational resources, curating, to collect, select, and disseminate information by adding new value to it. 2. Examples of using ChatGPT as a training aid. Language learning. ChatGPT can help language learners practice conversations, build vocabulary, and correct grammar. Writing feedback. Teachers can use ChatGPT to provide automatic feedback on students' writing assignments, including spelling, grammar, and style suggestions. Research assistance. ChatGPT can help students find and summarize information from online sources to reduce the time spent on research. Interactive storytelling. Teachers can use ChatGPT to create interactive storytelling activities that encourage students to use their imagination and language skills. Peer tutoring. Students can use ChatGPT to help their classmates with homework and answer questions related to a topic. Test preparation. ChatGPT can provide practice tests and quizzes to help students prepare for tests. Pronunciation practice. ChatGPT can help language learners practice their pronunciation by providing audio recordings and feedback on their pronunciation. Virtual field trips. Teachers can use ChatGPT to create virtual field trips for students to explore different parts of the world and interact with native speakers of other languages. Critical thinking exercises. ChatGPT can provide students with prompts for critical thinking exercises and provide feedback on their responses. Special education support. ChatGPT can be used to support students with special needs, such as students with hearing or visual impairments, by providing audio or visual aids. 3. Examples of using ChatGPT with students in the classroom. Use ChatGPTs as discussion partners to engage students in conversations about current events. Practice writing skills by having students write stories using ChatGPT as a writing prompt. Teach a foreign language by having students practice conversations with ChatGPT. Conduct research on a variety of topics by having students request information in ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT as a host to play trivia or games like Jeopardy, an American long-running quiz show. Teach coding by having students create ChatGPT chatbots. Improve reading comprehension by having students answer questions based on passages generated in ChatGPT. Create collaborative stories with ChatGPT so that each student can add to the story. Provide mental health support by having students chat with ChatGPT about their feelings. Have students role-play interviews with ChatGPT to practice interviewing skills. 4. Benefits and limitations of using ChatGPT in the classroom. Benefits. Personalized learning. ChatGPT can provide a personalized learning experience based on individual student needs and learning styles. Immediate feedback. ChatGPT provides immediate feedback on student work, allowing teachers to identify areas where students need additional support. Increased engagement. ChatGPT can make learning more interactive and engaging, especially for students who prefer digital tools to traditional classroom methods. Accessibility. ChatGPT makes learning more accessible for students with disabilities by providing audio and visuals. Time saving. ChatGPT can help teachers save time by automating certain tasks, such as grading and research. Limitations. Language limitations. ChatGPT may not be able to accurately understand or respond to students who speak with accents or use non-standard languages. Bias. ChatGPTs may contain biases that reflect the bias of the data they are trained on, which can perpetuate stereotypes and discrimination. Lack of human interaction. ChatGPTs are not a substitute for human interaction, which is essential for learning, such as the social and emotional support provided by teachers and peers. Technical difficulties. ChatGPT may not work properly or experience technical difficulties, disrupting the learning experience. Over-reliance on technology. Over-reliance on ChatGPT and other digital tools can lead to a lack of critical thinking skills and independent problem-solving among students. 5. Strategies for integrating ChatGPT into teachers' existing lesson plans. Set clear learning goals. Determine the specific learning objectives you want students to achieve using ChatGPT. This will help you design more targeted lesson plans that align with your overall curriculum goals. Choose appropriate prompts. Choose appropriate prompts or questions that align with your lesson objectives, and that students can respond to using ChatGPT. This will help facilitate more engaging and interactive discussions in the classroom. Incorporate collaborative learning. Encourage students to collaborate and work together to generate responses using ChatGPT. This can help create a more interactive and social learning environment. Provide feedback. Provide feedback on responses generated in ChatGPT to help students better understand the content and improve their critical thinking skills. Use ChatGPT as a learning tool. Use ChatGPT as a learning tool to complement other teaching materials, such as textbooks or online resources. Monitor student progress. Ensure students are meeting their learning goals by monitoring their progress and adjusting lesson plans as needed. Encourage reflection. Encourage students to reflect on their use of ChatGPT, such as how they found it useful, what they learned, and how they could improve their responses. This can help deepen learning and encourage a growth mindset. 6. Potential impact of ChatGPT on training. Personalized learning. ChatGPT can provide students with a personalized learning experience based on their individual needs and preferences. With its natural language processing capabilities, it can interact with students in a way that mimics human conversation, providing instant feedback and guidance. Increased efficiency. ChatGPT helps teachers manage their workload more efficiently by automating tasks like grading and feedback. This gives teachers more time to focus on individual student needs and plan effective lessons. Language learning. ChatGPT can be used to promote language learning by engaging students in conversations and helping them improve their speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. You can also provide students with access to language resources and materials. Accessibility. ChatGPT makes education more accessible to students with disabilities. For example, it can be programmed to read text-based materials aloud or provide real-time captions for video content. Ethical issues. Using ChatGPT in education raises ethical issues such as data privacy and bias. Teachers should be aware of these issues and take steps to ensure that student data is protected, and that the technology is used in a fair and unbiased manner. As they prepare to use ChatGPT and other AI technologies in education, teachers should adopt the following approaches. Continuous learning. Teachers should stay up to date on the latest developments in AI and their potential impact on education. Critical thinking. Teachers should use critical thinking skills to evaluate the potential benefits and risks of using AI in education. Collaborative. Teachers should collaborate with other educators, researchers, and industry experts to explore potential uses of AI in education and develop best practices. Student-centered. Teachers should focus on the needs and preferences of students when using AI technology in the classroom. Ethical considerations. Teachers should recognize the ethical considerations associated with the use of AI in education, and take steps to ensure it is used in a fair and unbiased manner. 7. How to ensure student safety and privacy. Allow students to use ChatGPT only under the supervision of a teacher or other responsible adult. Educate students about appropriate behavior and conversation topics while using ChatGPT. Ensure that all personal information shared with ChatGPT is kept confidential and not shared with third parties. 8. Teachers' attitudes and perspectives on ChatGPT. As a language model, GPT believes that in the era of educational change, teachers should cultivate a growth mindset and be open to self-learning. With the advent of technology, teachers need to be able to adapt to new teaching strategies and tools to meet the needs of a diverse student population. Teachers should also strive to empathize with and understand their students, creating a safe and inclusive learning environment where they can thrive. Teachers should also emphasize the importance of critical thinking and problem-solving skills, as these skills will be crucial for students' future endeavors. Finally, teachers should prioritize student-centered learning and promote self-directed learning among students. By encouraging students to take ownership of their learning, teachers can empower them to become lifelong learners who can adapt to an ever-changing world. Thanks for watching.